It's raining cats and dogs out there, ladies and gentlemen, so I decided to stay in, keep warm, and make another video. Okay, what's on the menu today? Looks like it's gonna be the beef patty jalapeno pepper jack. Alright, we're unpacked. We got our hot beverage bag for our coffee. We got a ration heater. Obviously your spoon. You have your condiments with like gum, coffee. This is awesome. M&M's. I haven't seen a full bag of candy in a while. Then we got an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. Some mayo, which I'm a little nervous to try. Just because, I don't know. I like mayo, but in an MRE it sounds weird. There's our juice, orange. Barbecue sauce. Hey, I know you. I know you. Tortillas, huh? That will be the bun. And here is the jalapeno beef jack patty. Okay, and then some potatoes, gratin or scalloped potatoes. Yeah. Got the gum. So you got your old Bill's coffee right there. Bill's coffee, and you got some creamer. Bill's brew, you son of a bitch! We'll start off with the dessert first. I got the cookie. 290 calories for this bad boy. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. It's a little hard, but you know they're pretty good. Maybe get some milk. Oh, looks like somebody already took a little bite. Huh? Alright. Let's put this on the tray. Alright, one of my favorites. It's a staple here. Plain tortillas. There we go. Let's see what this looks like, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These always are nice and fresh. Look delicious. Okay. A little bit. This is the orange drink. Shake it. Get it all out. Pure sugar. Okay, now it's time to get ready to cook our meal. Here we go, got our little sleeve. Here we go, we've got to fill our water right up to the little line right there. Alright, it's already starting to heat up, so let's put in the potatoes. And the main entree, our patty. I can already feel it getting hot. Now I'm going to put this leaning against something that symbolizes a rock. I put the sleeve on, keeps it extra warm. We're just going to put this up against these nice little things of grapes. Well, not sure how warm this food's going to be. It's probably going to be a little lukewarm. Some of them, like, they really cook up a storm. This one, sometimes when you have two entrees in there, it's kind of tough. Yeah, that is not hot. That's the main entree. That's the beef patty. There's the potatoes. The potatoes feel, yeah. Get that. Okay, here's the potatoes. Looks like coloring looks good. Oh, I didn't expect it to be like that orange. Put it on the tray. Let's see what this beef patty is gonna look like. It's definitely cold. Fail. But it looks, for being, looks pretty good. I mean, if it was warm, it'd be really good. I mean, look at the color and the texture. Looks like they got a little charbroiled. Put this kind of near the potatoes. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start off with a little bit of the orange, which is just like a Kool-Aid church beverage. You know, kind of what you get in the, well, I don't know if you go to church, but when I used to go to a youth group and stuff, they give you this syrupy stuff. It's not bad. If you don't want it too sugary, just put a lot of water, obviously. And so here we go. We got everything from our M&Ms, which is nice, our drink, our 2 tortillas, which is awesome. We got a nice cookie. It's not really soft, so you're gonna either soften it with, if you have some milk or something, depending on where you are, if you're camping, if it's... Okay, let's get these tortillas. All right. Yeah, tortillas. They actually did a pretty good job on tortillas. Although I think tortillas in the store, like, there's so many... Well, this one's kind of crumbling a little bit, but that was my fault. But yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty spot on to grocery store tortillas. A lot of preservatives. So we're just gonna add some cheese spread on that. And actually, this is cheese spread with bacon. So this has got a lot of flavor. Okay, here we go. This is the cheese spread. I'm gonna put it on the tortillas, which is, like I say in every video, it's a game changer. Some of the stuff might not taste so well, so good, and then this really helps you get through the main enchilada, the bean burrito. So we got that one. Okay. What I'm going to do right here is I'm going to just kind of cut the patty in half so I can divide it for the tortillas. I'm assuming that's what people do. And yeah, you can just kind of, you know, it's almost like school food, cafeteria food. But we're going to try it. Let's try it in, we'll first try it without the barbecue sauce and the mayo. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, not the prettiest, but then again, you're not out there trying to have pretty food. Here's my first bite. I taste the jack cheese in the jalapeno and the burger, and the spread really makes it good. If this was hot or warm, it'd be really good. And I haven't even tried that with barbecue sauce or with the mayo. We'll try that right now. Okay. Try it with a little bit of barbecue sauce. And why not? Probably should try a little bit of the mayo. I don't know about this mayo, but maybe it's good. I'm going to use the scissors because these things are really hard to open. Try a little bit of this. Here's our fat-free mayo is what it says. And it looks like mayo. I'm just going to do a little because I keep repeating myself, but I don't know. I don't know about mayo on this. Let's try it. Mayo's a little, it is definitely fat-free. It's like light. You can't really taste too much. I probably wouldn't use it. Barbecue sauce and the cheese spread helps with the flavor. Patty and the texture is pretty good. It's actually, this one tastes better than the last one. Even Mogo wants a little meat. Let's try a little bit of the potatoes. Potatoes are actually pretty good. They're well cooked. Cheese sauce is not too heavy, not too, you know, cheesy, whatever. It's got a good neutral taste. This cookie, let's try a little bit of that. Delicious. It's not super soft, but It's not hard. Nice. Good cookie. We already know what these taste like. Peanut M&Ms. I give this MRE tray 2 thumbs up.